Hyderabad. Currently, I am doing my internship with Indian Zero in digital marketing domain. Today, I am going to share my experiences, my challenges which I have faced in this digital era. By applying to various internships, what I have noticed that I have not been able to demonstrate the proof of my technical skills, my work I have worked on through my resume. I have been asked to attach the videos, files for, of my work, which shows my skills effectively. Attaching file folders, names of my work, and maintaining it sometimes become very chaotic. Therefore, to overcome this problem and maintain all those files folders, digital portfolio can help you a lot. The beauty of digital portfolio is that it is very flexible, very and visible, and very professional. One can curate all his work in one single organized space, and it can be shared to a wider audience and it can be accessible from multiple locations. Therefore, one needs to have a digital portfolio in today's digital era. Whether it is whether you are a graphic designer, you are a copywriter, or in any other profession, you need to have a great digital portfolio. Therefore, you need to have a great digital portfolio which showcases skills effectively. Thank you.